Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos on your PC safely, legally, and super easily. Whether you want to watch your favorite tutorials, music, or vlogs without an internet connection, this method works perfectly. So stay tuned till the end because I'll explain everything step by step. Let's get started. We all know how frustrating it can be when your internet drops and you can't watch your saved videos. That's where YouTube's official download feature comes in handy. But there's one important thing you need to know.
Fresh
To
milk.
use this feature, you'll need a YouTube Premium subscription. This is YouTube's paid plan that not only lets you download videos for offline viewing, but also removes ads and even allows background playback. Perfect for multitasking. Once you've subscribed to YouTube Premium, head over to youtube.com on your PC and find the video you want to download. You can do this by searching for it or selecting it directly from your homepage. Now, look just below the video player. Right next to the like and dislike buttons, you'll see a download button. Simply click on it and your video will start downloading immediately. It's that simple. After the download is complete, you can watch it anytime without internet access. To find your downloaded videos, click on the menu icon, the three horizontal bars in the top left corner of YouTube, then go to Library and open Downloads. There you'll see all your saved videos ready for offline viewing. And that's it. You've just learned how to download YouTube videos on your PC the official way, quick, clean, and completely within YouTube's terms of use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more useful tech guides, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions or tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.